Hello everyone, it's Daicellas here, and in today's video I would love to show you my long-awaited sketchbooks. The last time that I've done a sketchbook tour was definitely already 2 years ago, and it's been too long, so today's video I'm finally going to be showing you my most recent sketchbooks that I've been working on. The first one that I'll be showing you guys is this smaller one. And in this smaller sketchbook, you will mainly find sketches made with pencil or ink, and also paintings with gouache and watercolor, for example. And you'll be seeing a lot of portraits of random people or fan art, or and maybe a little bit of environmental art here and there. And in the second sketchbook, which is also the bigger one, you'll be mostly finding gouache paintings and mainly sketches of buildings and everything like that. So yeah, in the first one you'll be seeing a lot of portraits, as I said before, and I really love to draw people from BTS. I've been a fan of them for quite some time now, and maybe a lot of Star Wars here and there, and especially Kylo Ren. I really like Kylo Ren. His character is so complicated, and I just really love that. In the first sketchbook, you'll be seeing a few drawings that I may not be exactly 100% proud of anymore, but that's just because I've been working on it for such a long time. So you can definitely tell, at least I hope you can tell, that I've gotten better over the time, from especially at the beginning of the sketchbook to the end of the sketchbook. I can personally see a bit of improvement here and there, and that's, seeing improvement in your artwork is definitely one of the best things there is, especially for someone who has been drawing for quite some time now. And like, let's say for when I was 8 years old, from the time that I'm 20 right now, and all those years I've definitely seen so much improvement. I know that 8 years old is very young, but okay, let's say from 12 years old to 20 years old, if I compare my paintings from then to now, I can definitely see so much improvement, and I think that's so crazy to see, but it's so amazing at the same time, because after all those years your efforts are finally paying off, and it's incredible, and it's amazing. It's seriously really amazing. In the second sketchbook, I can definitely tell that I'm a bit more proud of that one, because it's obviously more recent. I think that I started working in a sketchbook last year, so that's not so long ago. I've been really wanting to practice working with gouache a lot, so that's why I drew, for some reason, lots of food, because I don't know why, but I think that painting food with gouache is the most satisfying thing in the world for some reason. You should try it. If you're an artist and you love to work with gouache, try to paint food with gouache. It's amazing. You trust me, you will love it. And also lots of buildings, as I said before. So yeah, I think that I will end this voiceover right here. Thank you so much for watching already, and I hope that I will see you guys in the next video. So have a good day, everyone. Bye guys.